Thanks for joining. In this lesson, we will keep practicing controllers in NetCore 7. We will concentrate on the IActionResult interface, how to use it, and the methods it offers, especially related to the error codes. We have several ways to send a response from an endpoint in different formats. This is the code from previous lesson's assignment. We are checking if the query string we received from the frontend has the necessary parameters. In this assignment, we have a few responses related to error codes in IActionResult, such as NotFound and BadRequest. I will also add a string response status code 401 to the JSON if statement to include a status code with the JSON response. When we check in the developer tools, we see that we receive the correct 401 reply. This is the table of IActionResult classes from the previous lesson. I have updated this table with additional results, like UnauthorizedResult with its corresponding code 401, BadRequestResult with code 400, and NotFoundResult with code 404. These classes are shortcuts for the status codes we have learned about in previous lessons. Instead of trying to remember the numbers for these status codes, it's much easier to remember their meanings. Of course, we cannot provide meanings for all 60 plus status codes in NetCore 7. Which is why we have StatusCodeResult available. It acts as a placeholder for any other codes we might need. In our code, we have set a status code using response status code. Likewise, we can use the UnauthorizedResult class in this situation to make this code cleaner and easier to understand. Furthermore, instead of creating a new class instance, we can use the method directly, making the unauthorized code more concise and self-explanatory. And if we use the class instance to provide a message, then we will get squiggles saying that it doesn't contain a constructor for an argument, but the method takes an argument without complaining. Now, instead of an informative 401 error and us writing response status code, we have a readable string which provides us an explanation that an action is unauthorized. And on the top of that, we have a possibility to write a message which will clarify even more what is happening and why a 401 error has occurred. So, when you were completing your previous lesson assignments, you already provided the correct way of the endpoint response. For NotFoundResult, StatusCodeResult, and BadRequestResult, there won't be any difference at all. You can apply the same approach that we just used for the JSON endpoint. And as always, lesson assignments. At the conclusion of each lesson, I highly encourage you to complete the assignments, as they will greatly contribute to your progress in ASP NetCore 7. By consistently practicing, you will see faster results in your learning journey. And the assignments answers you can download from the GitHub. The link is below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great coding content. Stay updated with the latest videos by ringing the notification bell. Happy coding!